Something powerful's around here. So you finally found me, Son Goku. Who are you? I'm Princess. I'm here to fight the one called Son Goku. Hold up. Oh, right here. It says I'm supposed to show up after he defeats you. What you mean defeated? Wait. How come you come after me? Because I'm stronger than you. Oh, really?
Yes, I'm quite certain.
Oh, yeah. You got that? So, what now? Well, go find Son Goku, lose, and then I'll show up a couple months later. Yeah, I'll pass on that. But that's in the script. I mean, yeah, but that was like when I thought I was the biggest threat. I'm not anymore. Now it doesn't even sound fun. What do you want to do then? What if we team up and take over Earth together? Deal. But I get to fight Goku. Fine. But wait, who do I get? I mean, you can get Vegeta. Really? That's like the easiest win of my life. Can I at least get Gohan? Sure. Bet.
Who's that pretty girl?